Third question, check whether 6 power n end with the digits 0 for any natural number. If 6 power n end with 0 for any natural number, it should be divisible by 2 and 5. It is divisible by 2 and 5. For example, 6 power n equal to 6. The 6 is written in the form of product of primes 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 whole power n. Here the product 2 into 3, there is no 5, only 2 is here. So 6 is divisible by 2 only. 6 is not divisible by 5. So here 5 is not present in the product of primes. Therefore 6 power n cannot be end with the digit 0. Question, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. What are composite number? The composite number can be written in the form of product of primes, that are the composite numbers. So here given 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Here this is the products, these are the one of the number. So here plus. So common 13 from both terms, remaining 7 into 11 plus 1, because 13 into 7 into 11, this is 13 into 1 13. So 13, 7 11s are 77 plus 1. So 13, 77 plus 1, 78. So 78 is written in the form of 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. So 3 13s are. So 13 into 78 written in the form of 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. So this is product of prime numbers by fundamental theorem of arithmetic. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is composite number. Next one, given 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. So in this product and this 5 is common. So common the 5, remaining terms 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. So 5. So total 1008 plus 1. 5 into 1009. 1009. So 9. So this is product of prime numbers by fundamental theorem of arithmetic. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1 is composite number. Next, fifth question, how will you show that 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 is composite number? So given 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5. Here both terms 7 into 11 is common. So common the 17 into 11, remaining terms 2 plus 5. So 17 into 11, 2 plus 5, 7. So 7 into 11 into 17. So these are product of prime numbers by fundamental of arithmetic 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 is composite number. Is composite number. Next, sixth question. What is the last digit of 6 power 100? For example, 6 power 1 equal to 6, 6 square equal to 36, 6 cube equal to 216, so and so on. 6 power 100 equal to 6. Therefore, the last digit of 6 power 100 equal to 6. Before going to 1.3 exercise, some notes are important notes are here. First one, p by q is a rational number. Here q is written in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Then the number be terminating decimal. For example, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. So here terminating decimal because of ended with of decimal number. Next, for example, 1 by 10, that means 0.1. So 10 is written in the form of 1 by 10. 10 means 2 into 5, terminating decimal. So the denominator must be 2 power n or 5 power m or 2 power n into 5 power m. Then the number be terminating decimal. Next one, second note, p by q is a rational number. Q is not in 2 power n into 5 power m. Then the number be non-terminating repeating decimal. For example, 1 by 3. So 3 is not in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m. So this is 0.333 and so on. That means 0.3 bar. Non-terminating repeating decimal. 1 by 7 also is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Next, exercise 1.3. First question, see at the top of the board. Write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which are have non-terminating repeating decimal. First question, 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Divide 8. Divide 3 with the help of 8. So 0.0. 8 3s are 24, remainder 6, 0.0, 8 7s are 56, remainder 4.0, 5 times 40. So 3.8 equals 0.375. So it is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Second one, 229 by 400. 229 by 400. 229 400. Divide first 229 with 4. 4. 229. 5 times 20. Remainder 29. 7 times 28. 1.0. 2 times 8. 2 times 8. 0.2. 5 times. So equal to 57.25 by 100 by 100. So this is 100. The decimal is moved to left side 2 digits. So 0.5725. This is also terminating decimal. Next, third question. 4 1 by 5. 4 1 by 5. This is mixed fraction. So write into fraction. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21 by 5. 5 21. 5 4s are 20. 1.0. 2 times 10 0. So equal to 4.2. 4.2. So this is terminating decimal. Next, fourth one. 2 by 11. 2 by 11 2 0.0 ఎందుకు ఇలా 0 పాయింట్ వేసుకున్నాం మనం సో లోపల 2 అనేది 11 కన్నా చిన్నది కాబట్టి మనం 0 పాయింట్ వేసుకున్నాం నౌ 11 1s are 11 9.0 8 times 88 2.0 again 1 11 times 1 9 0 8 times 88 so repeating so 2 by 11 equal 0.1818 and so on equal 0.18 bar that means non-terminating repeating decimal non-terminating repeating decimal. Next, fifth question. 8 by 125. 8 by 125. So 125 8 0.0. So అయినప్పటికి కూడా 80 is smaller than the 125. Again 0 0. So 6 times 750. So remainder 50. 0.00 so 4 times 500 so 0 so equal to 8 by 125 equal to 0.064 it is terminating decimal. Next, second question. Without performing divisions, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. So, దీని ఏం చేయాలంటే మనం డివిజన్ చేయకుండా దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఏది టెర్మినేటింగ్ అవుతుంది ఏది నాన్ టెర్మినేటింగ్ అవుతుంది అనేది మనం చెక్ చేయాలన్నమాట. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ 13/3125. సో ఇక డినామినేటర్ ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉండాలని చెప్పాము మనం ఇంత నోట్ చెప్పాం కదా 2n × 5m రూపంలో ఉంటే అది ఖచ్చితంగా ఏమవుతుందంటే టెర్మినేటింగ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు 3125ని మనం చెక్ చేద్దాం మనం 3125. సో 5 టేబుల్ 6 times 30 12 టేబుల్ 2 times 5 625 again 5. So 1 times 2 125 again 5 25 times again 5 times 1 2 3 4 5. So 13/5 power 5. So this is in the form of 2 power n 5 power m. So is terminating decimal. Next one 11/12. So 12 is written in the form of 2 6s are 2 3s are. So 11/12 is 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. So here 3 is came. So this is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Not in 2 power n into 5 power form. Next 64/455. So 455 is written in the form of 5 table 9 times 1 times again 7 table 1 time 3 times. So 64/5 into 7 into 13. So denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Next fourth one 15/1600. 1600 is written in the form of 1600. So 2 table so 800 2 table 400 2 table 200. Next again with 5 table 40 5 table 8 times 2 table 4 times 2 table 2 times. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 15/2 power 6 into 5 square 2 power 6 into 5 square. this is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, so it is terminating decimal. Next one, 29 by 343. 343 is written in the form of 7 table 49 times, again 7 table 7 times, so 29 by 7 cube. So denominator is not in the form of, is not in 2 power n into 5 power m, so this is non-terminating. Repeating decimal. Next, 23 by 2 cube into 5 square, so this is also in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, so this is terminating decimal. Next, 129 by 2 square 5 power 7 into 7 power 5, this is not in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m, so this is non-terminating. Repeating decimal. Next one, 9 by 15, so 3 table 3 times 5 times 3 by 5, so this is only 5, so this is in the form of 2 power n 5 power m, so it is terminating decimal. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఒకటే 5 ఉన్నా టెర్మినేట్ డెసిమల్ అవుతుంది, ఓన్లీ 2 ఉన్నా టెర్మినేట్ డెసిమల్ అవుతుంది, 2 into 5 పవర్ ఉన్నా మనకి టెర్మినేట్ డెసిమల్ అనేది అవుతుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ 36 by 100. 36 by 100. 100 is written in the form of 100 2 50s. Next 2 25s. 5 5s are. So 36 by 2 square into 5 square. This is in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m. So this is terminating decimal. Next 77 by 210. 77 by 210. So 7 table 11 times 7 table 30 times 11 by 30. 11 by 30. 30 is written in the form of 2 15s are 3 5s are. So 11 by 30, 2 into 3 into 5. Here this is not in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 3 అనేది ఒకటి నెంబర్ వచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఇది నాన్ టెర్మినేటింగ్ డెసిమల్ అవుతుందన్నమాట. నాన్ టెర్మినేటింగ్ రిపీటింగ్ డెసిమల్. సో ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ రోమన్. ఈ థర్డ్ రోమన్ ఏ విధంగా చేయాలంటే డినామినేటర్ని 2 power n into 5 power m ఫామ్లో చేంజ్ చేసుకుని మనం దీన్ని డెసిమల్ ఫామ్లోకి చేంజ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. మనం డివిజన్ చేయకుండా డినామినేటర్ని 2 power m into 5 power n ఫామ్లో మార్చుకుని దీని డినామినేటర్ని చేంజ్ చేసుకుని తర్వాత మనం దీన్ని డెసిమల్ ఫామ్లోకి మార్చాలి. ఏ విధంగా చేయాలో చూద్దాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 13 by 25. 13 by 25 వచ్చుంటే 13 by 25ని 5 square కింద రాయొచ్చు. 5 square కింద రాసామన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు మనకి దీనికి పక్కన ఏమి ఉండాలి, 2 power n ఉండాలి. సో దీనికి ఎంతైతే పవర్ ఉందో దానికి కూడా అంతే పవర్తో మనం మల్టిప్లై చేసి డివైడ్ చేయాలి. 2 square into 2 square. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ పవర్ 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం 2 చేస్తున్నాము. ఇప్పుడు రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ చేసినా మనకి ఇదే ఉంటుంది. సో 13 into 2 square వాల్యూ 4 by 5 2s are 10 whole square. సో సేమ్ పవర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. 13 4s are 52 by 10 square means 100. సో డెసిమల్ ఫార్మ్ వస్తే 0.52. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 15 by 16. 15 by 16 ఈక్వల్ టు 15 2 power 4 కింద రాయొచ్చు. ఎలా రాయొచ్చు, 2 power 4. 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16. సో మనం ఇంటూ మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఇప్పుడు 5 power 4తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి 5 power 4తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. సో ఈక్వల్ టు 15 into 5 power 5 వాల్యూ 625 by 2 5s are 10 whole power 4. So 15 625 is equal to 9375 by 10,000 equal to 0.9375. 75. This is the decimal form. Next form 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. సో ఇక్కడ 2కి ఏమో పవర్ 3 ఉంది, 5కి ఏమో 2 ఉంది. సో ఇంటూ 5తో మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, ఎందుకంటే దీని పవర్ 3 అవ్వడం అనమాట. 523 is 115 by 2 cube into 5 cube equal to 115 by 2 5s are 10 whole cube equal to 115 by 10 cube value 1000. So equal to 0.115. 0.115. Next one 7218. So 7218 by 3 square value 9 into 5 square. 9 table cancel అవుతుంది. So 9 8s are 72, 0, 9 2s are 18. So equal to 802 by 5 square. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు 5 square మాత్రమే ఉంది. సో మనకి ఇంకా 2 square కావాలి, ఇంటూ 2 square by 2 square equal to 802 into 2 square value 4, 5 2s are 10 whole square. So 4 2s are 8, 0, 4 8s are 32 by 100. So 32.08 is the answer. Next one 143 by 110 equal to 143 by 110 means 11 into 10. So 11 is cancelled here. So in how many times? 13 times. So 13 by 10 equal 1.3. Next fourth one, which is rational and which is irrational of the following the questions. So if you observe here 43.1234567 so this is ended with 9. So it is a rational number because of this is a terminating decimal. So this is a rational number. Next one 0.120, 1200, 12000, 12 and so on. So this is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So it is not rational number. Next one 43.1234567 bar. That means this is repeating again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is a non-terminating repeating decimal. So this is also be rational number.